You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. Two different ways of pronouncing it. This is a surname, and it's all the name of a town in England. Two different ways of pronouncing it. Monaghan, with essentially a silent G. Monaghan, stressed on the first syllable. Now the Americans, more specifically as a surname, say it more commonly as Monaghan. How do you say it yourself? Let us know. Monaghan or Monaghan? Let us know in the comments. Let everybody know. Thank you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.